Hey everyone, how are you? Well, today I am sharing my travel toiletry bag with you. What's inside, kind of my essentials that I take. I have been taking this particular bag with me on several recent trips. It really depends on where I'm going for how long. I have several that I kind of rotate through. I have a larger one that kind of everything lives in, and then I will take out what I need for smaller trips. But I've really been enjoying this one. I've had it a couple of years now. It does come in other colors. I often link it with my other Amazon travel favorites, so it is in my Amazon store. But we will go through this real quick here. And I just wanted to mention, for many years, if you guys have followed me, you know I have like a separate bag that I keep all my hair stuff in. So you're not gonna see anything hair in this bag. Of course, you could put it in there, but I don't know why. Years ago, I found it a little easier to put some things in a separate bag, especially for packing. And then I can just take this in the restroom or out, you know, in a hallway or wherever I might be doing my hair. But, you know, this one just has like my little silk scrunchie, anything as far as like hair treatments I want to put in there, and definitely my comb, things like that. I will say I usually keep my hairspray, little travel hairspray, in my toiletry bag, but I ran out while I was on our trip for Memorial Day weekend, and I just threw the can away when I was there. Also, you're not going to see toothpaste because my husband put it in his toiletry bag. Depending on the trip, if it's a short trip, we'll each take like a little small toothpaste, you know, that you get from the dentist. I'm really picky about toothpaste, and some of those, I just don't feel like my teeth are clean. So he put, we only had like a little bit in our regular size toothpaste, and he just put that in his. So don't think I didn't forget about toothpaste. I just didn't have it in mine. So this one does have like a little pocket on the back. I don't put anything in there. Now you can, it has a little Velcro. You can hang it up, as you can see. And I always keep in this first little flap here, I think I only have one left, so I'm gonna take this out and actually use them here. I always keep my Kirkland's facial wipes here, the makeup wipes. Love those, is just getting that initial makeup off, so I feel like my cleanser can really get in there and do the work. This second little pouch here, to me, is perfect for my toothbrush, my floss, things like that. So I just have one of these little covers over it, and this is actually a battery powered electric toothbrush. So it's really nice because that way I will carry another battery with me oftentimes in case this one starts like wearing down, and that way you just can change it out. You don't have to buy a new one, and these are really inexpensive. So if you're used to using an electric toothbrush at home, you still kind of want that same thing when you travel. To me, this is kind of the next best thing. So in this main compartment down here, there is a zip in the front. I don't keep a lot in there, but I have my little hero blemish things, you know, you put over a pimple, that they work great. I don't leave home without those. And then I just put in a little baggie. This is the Elemis glycolic peel pads. So I usually just put one or two of those with me when I'm traveling, depending on how long I'm going to be gone. So in this main compartment, you can see it just kind of stands up, and there's little elastic slots in here, but I'm just gonna kind of take everything out real quick and show you. I always put some cotton pads in a little plastic bag that I use for my eye makeup remover. Now at home, I used both the pink cap and the blue cap. The blue is the waterproof. I find it's just easier for me when I travel to use the blue to get off my mascara, because to me, all good mascaras usually are hard to get off. I usually take the full dry volume blast. This is the Living Proof. I take that. I usually don't take a dry shampoo. Sometimes I feel like this kind of acts like that a little bit. And I wash my hair usually like every other day, every 2 days, so I don't use a lot of dry shampoo. Again, I would have had my hairspray in here as well. It's a little travel size of the Kenra Volume 25. I've used that for years. This is something I bought in the recent Sephora sale that I've really been liking a lot. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Vitamin C. It stinks though, worse than any vitamin C I've used, and I've used like all the popular ones. But really love this. And most of the time, I don't have anything daily that I use in here, but this is something, to me, it's just easier to plop that in there than squirt it out into a little container. So I will put this back with my regular skincare. I always take a lotion. This is usually one of my favorites for travel because it's not too heavy, but it's just thick enough. This is just the Suave Shea Nourishing. You can always get it in like the travel size, but I have a ton of those, love those. I switch it up with shampoo and conditioner that I take. This time I took the Alternate Caviar Moisture. I've used this off and on for years. It's always or often a 500 point perk at Sephora, so I'll pick that up when I can. A little thing of mouthwash, I just refilled this from our large container. And like I said, these are all in the little slots to the side. This is not what's in here. This is the Biossance, it's a cleanser of theirs that I got in like a little sample pack, but I loved the container so much. I didn't love this cleanser. I use a couple of things from Biossance, the moisturizer I've purchased many, many times, been using that a couple years and love it. I didn't love this. I don't know if it had like a weird scent, but I love that it has a pump because my other container I was using was the silicone, and I found if I left anything in there, whether it be shampoo, my husband found that out, or cleanser for me, it would like harden it up after a while. So I just dump my regular cleanser in here, do a few pumps, and I love this in the pump because I feel like I get the right amount. So this is hilarious. This, I change out this little bag now and then. This is like all my little bag of goodies. And I've not found a better way to carry this from just this bag, put it in whatever toiletry bag I want. I refill anything that I need to. So what is in here are just basically my skincare staples. Like I said, the Biossance. I always take the Omega Repair Cream. This is a little heavy for me, except for in the winter. But if for some reason my skin's freaking out, gets, I don't know, extra dry, I like to have that in there. This is something I cannot travel without. Tried this back, I think in 2018, and now I have the full size and the travel size. This is the LMS Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. This little guy's expensive, but if you want to try it, get it when it's on sale and get this travel size. So this is my daily moisturizer that I absolutely love. It's the Biossance, the Squalane Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. To me, it is just a perfect balance, you know. My skin really likes it. You can often get these little travel size from them, and then I just refill it from my large one. Now, however, I did put something in a little container. Sometimes I'll travel with it. The big Revision Skincare, the Nectifirm Advanced. So this is just a couple pumps of that because I just use one pump a day. So I could get away with just putting that in there. Have used this for years, this little small size of the Bobbi Brown Eye Cream. Love that, always refill it. However, I did get this one from Lancome in, I don't even know, it was just some kind of samples. It's the Absolute Eye Cream, and I really like it too. So I just kind of switch off and on. They're interchangeable. And then from Clarins, this is a little firming mask in case I need it. And then I loved this little thing with the dropper. This was from Biossance. It had vitamin C serum in it, but I kept it in case I want to put my own in there or whatever else I might be using that's more liquid. It's a cool little dropper form, so it just stays in there. And then I have all these little perfume samples, and I have some safety pins. So I just know that I can go in there and get my safety pins if I need. But I love having little perfume samples with me so I don't have to travel with, you know, the large ones. Let's see, I have the Hermes Twilly. I really like that. That's one of my favorites. I pretty much always carry Tory Burch with me, the Erin Amber Musk. And then this I love, it's almost out. This one is the Chloe Love Story. Those are actually 3 of my favorite perfumes. I did a favorite perfumes post on Instagram. So it'll be in my Like to Know It, and it's, I think I saved it to my Instagram, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'll repost that. Basically, I just linked to it. The easiest place would be to find it on the blog or Instagram. This smells good. But I love having these little things with me just to spray on. It's one of those when I'm on vacation, I have to wear perfume, especially going out to dinner at night or something. At home, I don't always wear it a lot, but on vacation, love it. All right, only a few more things here. A razor. I really like these for travel. I used to use the ones like the Olay with the, you know, moisturizing strip on them, which I do still like those. A lot of times I will take those on vacation with me because they're just easy, that then I'm not fussing with a separate shave cream or conditioner or something like that. I can just use that real quick and it works. However, sometimes I don't think the shave is as close, and sometimes I just need this one. This one probably has like 4 or 5 blades. I don't remember what this is. If it's a Bic, yeah, Bic Soleil. Just comes in like a little 3-pack or something. This thing has Q-tips in it. I always get asked about this. Every time I show this, I've had this for years and years and years. It came with a pack of Q-tips. So sorry, you can't get it anywhere, you know, unless you end up seeing something like that. But a lot of travel stores have little cylinder type things you can put Q-tips in. So just love that. And that's everything that's in there. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Again, if you've seen any of my travel videos that show my toiletry bags and what's in it, I've often shown that large Vera Bradley bag that they don't even make anymore. But that's the one that if I just want to throw everything in there and space isn't an issue, I take that one because it has a lot of other junk that, you know, you just might need. I'm one of those people, you never know what you might need or what somebody else might need. So I usually have it, you know, like fashion tape and like I said, safety pins and all kind of other nonsense in there. But anyway, I really love that one, but I've been trying to just pare it down to my essential needs when I travel, but love this bag. Again, it's pretty inexpensive. I don't know if you can get the same color, but I will link it for you below. I will link any videos or references to any travel related posts in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.